A small village known as Aruvacode in Malappuram has to tell an exciting story of survival. The story of how a community of traditional artisans regained their long-lost craft, pottery. The members of Kumbharan community of this place were potters, but they lost their livelihood when ethnic clay utensils were replaced by plastic and fibre counterparts. Potters here use terracotta in both traditional and modern contexts. Beside potter's wheel, they softened and shaped terracotta using their hands to create artifacts worthy to meet modern-day requirements. No artificial colour is used, and the hues are obtained simply by heating. Today, the potters of Aruvacode have more than 500 different types of products, ranging from kitchen utensils and office stationery to interior decor accessories, murals and reliefs. When you're at Aruvacode for designing your favourite terracotta piece, don't forget to visit Nilambur Kovilagam and Nilambur Teak Museum. And if you get a chance, trekking at Nedunga Forest and a quick visit to Amarambalam Wildlife Sanctuary.